Well guys, welcome back to the Corn Dog Caravan channel. We are looking at a beautiful Ram ProMaster that's actually in the area that we are staying right now. Here in kind of sometimes sunny, but today cloudy Deland, Florida. We are showing off a really nice van that's actually up for sale right now. We are with the owner, Jack. You've owned this how long?
We've owned it since 2022.
Okay.
And it's a 2016 3500 ProMaster. It's the 159 wheelbase and it's the high roof extended. So it's as big as they make these.
So we've got some really nice running boards here.
The tires were replaced in 22 and we feel we have 7, maybe 8. I have the paperwork on everything.
These are the Michelin Agilis cross climate, I guess mud and snow tires. Tires look brand new though. I mean, they're in great shape. So let's just kind of walk around the back here. We've got one side window. Now I will show a still shot or maybe a video. We do have Sumos in the front and rear. They are the yellow Sumos, and I'll show you right here what those look like. Yeah, paint condition looks flawless. It's good. Okay, Class 3 hitch?
We do. Class 3 hitch.
One of 2 sources of power to supply the coach batteries. So we've got an Onan generator. We've got the back glass here, the dark tinted. The driver's side, we've got just a couple of things to show you. We've got a 30 amp satellite or the coax.
Probably never does, and this is the fresh water.
All right, here's a water fill. Yep, running board on this side. All right. Very clean van, I will say. Controls for the stereo, for your phone. You do have cruise control, factory cruise, which is nice. Key fob here. We do have 2 key fobs total. Seats are in mint condition. No tears, nothing. Let's show you the Wolf box.
When you put it in reverse, it shifts to give you guidance to back up your vehicle.
As we come around the nose here, step on and clean your front windshield. All right, let's go in this side. Seats again, perfect mint condition. Pretty much standard dash. You do have the 12-volt socket and USB controls here. There's also one next to the gear shift in the little cubby hole. So let me first show the floor. I do like the curtains, great idea. Oh, I totally missed the grab bar. So we do have a grab bar already installed, and we've got the notorious pizza oven here. Finished off nice. The fit and finish is awesome in this. Color scheme looks really good. I'm assuming that those do pull down. On the driver's side, as you do have 2 windows. And then right behind the driver's seat, we have a nice cushion. This was actually, I think, re-cushioned just recently. We've got an outlet right here with USB sockets. A little storage area right here behind the driver's seat.
Secret sauce.
So we've got some seat belts too. Just, I guess, just a lap belt.
Yes.
Okay.
Just a lap belt.
So we've got all of our, or most of our electronics. We'll show you one more surprise here in a minute. Xantrex 3000 watt inverter.
Yes.
We also have this is just one of 2 lithium batteries. This is 250 amp hours. The second one is a duplicate, so we are running 500 amp hours of 12 volt battery. Awesome. Master cutoff switch. We have, I believe that's Sterling. DC to DC charger. We've got exhaust fans right here. Really nice sized kitchen galley here. We've got probably at least 2 feet to the right of the sink, about 1.5 feet on the left. Magnetic latched drawers and doors. GFI protected outlet right behind the sink there. Like what I'm seeing. Good cabinetry. I know you added cabinets after the fact and you had Custom Coach do that because they're right here in Deland. Great builder, good fit and finish. We've got a microwave, a Max-Air fan here. Deluxe model.
But it has the temperature setting.
Okay. I love the openness. I love the ability to walk down the galley. I suppose if you had a decent size, I'll even say motorcycle, you might have room. You just have to find a way to secure it and tie it down properly. Toilet room here. I guess you'd call that a water closet. Room next. All right, let's take a peek here. Now, this is a flushing toilet, correct?
Correct.
And you do have, I think, what, 8.5 gallon black tank?
Yes, underneath.
Okay. And you do have an outlet in here, which is, the more outlets, the better. We've got a little extra storage here. Nice shelf up here. Huge closet. We've got storage for the table here. We've got good flat storage right here, but down below, we've got a water heater. Has never been used, at least in your time of ownership.
Correct.
It is electric and not gas because there's no propane. So no propane on the rig at all. It's all electric. We've got storage up here as well. I want to show you guys the exit to the van. You have the 3-way light switch here. We also have a smoke alarm right here. I did notice in the back cabinetry we do have a CO detector. All right, I do want to show off this storage here. So this is right above the kitchen. So you've got the pneumatic shocks here to keep the doors open. Really good storage space in here. And coming to the back, so this is on the passenger side here. We've got a bench down below, bench and bed. But great storage here again with the pneumatics. Swinging around to the driver's side, huge cabinetry space. We also have the next slider window in the back with the slide down curtain, privacy curtains. Matching cushions as the front. So down here we have a 110 accessory here with the USB. We've got the fuse panel here and also the CO detector. All right. Little skid-proof top there.
And that's her nightstand.
I guess two levels. You've got the main light here, and then you have the little blue LED glow. Yep.
Night light.
Very nice. So we've got the Coleman controller here, the Coleman Mach. Is it 13,000 BTU?
Yes.
13,000 BTU control here. We've got the Onan generator control start stop right here. We also have the Xantrex controller. Get that all lit up here. We also have a, what, maybe 20-inch little TV that's pivoting. And it does have a good socket right behind the TV, a 12-volt DC socket. Coax Connect. Perfect condition couch on both sides. We've got the galley line up here. I'll back up. And we have storage on the other. Let's go ahead and lift those panels up. Those cushions. Good solid cushions. So we got a water tank here. And fresh water is how many gallons?
16.
16, okay, so that's good. We've got a really good water pump here. PEX tubing, AC socket control. We've got an automatic transfer relay. I'm assuming that's all part of the generator running. It controls the power between everything. We do have a water cutoff right here, cutoff valve there. Let's show how the bed sets up next. So we've got the seat belts here for the passengers in the back, and holy cow, you can get all kinds of stuff in there. That's a good size. Might even hold a bag or two of golf clubs. For the bed setup, I did notice in the floor that we have a table pedestal mount. Plenty of space, full, I guess pretty much a full-size bed. And then you just keep all the bedding in this little cabinet here. Good idea. What I really liked was the fact I sat on this bench, and sitting down and standing up, I didn't clobber my head. We're going to set up the table real quick. That guy just slides in. All right, so ready for dinner, for breakfast, or even Left, right, or center. So let's talk about, it's time to shut it down for the season, whether you're in Florida, you're in Arizona, wherever you're located. You need to shut it down for the day, the week, the month, 6 months. Kind of walk me through the process. It's real easy, guys.
Where the battery is in the front seat is a master on-off switch. So if you're going to be parked for an extended period of time, I would flip it to off. If you feel that you're going to be using it in a week or two, then leave that on and you just go into your Xantrex and go to the inverter setting, and that little green light indicates that your inverter's on, and
okay.
You just go a couple pushes and it will shut that off. And then when you're ready to go, just a couple pushes and fire up, enable and disable, enable your...
You've got the AC control. We'll fire that up here in a moment.
So now it's operating on the lithium batteries.
And what speed setting? Is that on low or high?
That's low. That's high.
Noise level is pretty good. He's running it off batteries. And the generator that we have is not on, folks. Air conditioner without a generator. You don't see that too often. Let's talk about the generator next. So alright, so now we've changed things a bit. We still have the generator running, and then we also have the air conditioner turned on. So we've made the bed up, but let's go ahead and show the shades. So we drop the shades down here. So you've got good privacy here. +2 in the summertime, and if you're really trying to keep it cool, not only will you do the sides, but I haven't really shown the back doors. The back doors also have their own screen assemblies.
And you can keep the shades shut while you're driving to keep heat from infiltrating, because you have the wolf box that is showing what's behind you. So even though you have windows there, you can have these down.
But I didn't see a shower
Correct.
in there. So let's talk about that.
So we have a threaded end here.
Okay.
And we have a hose. We even have a pop-up privacy booth.
Okay.
So that if you were in a place you needed to rinse off, you can pop that up and still be out of view of any wandering eyes.
Okay.
And you can go out any window, take the hose out here, take it out the back door.
Okay, good to know.
Take it out the side door, wherever you feel the greatest privacy or the best drainage would be for you.
And I guess the hose can go out the back door, the side door, really, as long as it reaches. Any idea what the cord length or the hose length is?
25 feet.
Okay, awesome.
And it has the wand
Okay.
for the end.
So we've got a lot of storage in here, but even a lot of space to put just unique things. I mean, maybe a fold-up e-bike would fit in this back compartment because you've got a good width here and height. Glad you remembered. So here is the second battery. Tucked away nice, strapped down, solid. Another 250 amp hours. You can slide. Actually, let's show that, because that's a full depth drawer right here. So you've got that full depth. You've got the key for the fridge right here. All one piece, no seams. Easy to clean. So before we get to the engine compartment, close these here and have some nice privacy. So obviously we are in Florida and the weather doesn't get really cold here, but if you are looking for a 4-season van, you know, having no gray tank underneath, no black tank really underneath the van, and no fresh water is inside, your chances of any freeze up is much less, unless it's really cold and you're not using the van. All right, let's take a look under the hood. Engine's clean as a whistle. Looks like we've got some coating, some spray on the bolt heads here.
Yes, just trying to protect them from corrosion.
Yep, good idea. We're only 33,000 miles, so really at this point it's still just oil changes. Yeah, anything you want to add engine wise?
Runs great.
Yep.
Never had an issue.
We've got a beautiful van here, clean body, white van, 3500 extended, 159 roof, or 159 wheelbase, high roof, Coleman air conditioner, Onan generator, 500 amp hours of lithium. I could go on. Clean engine. I mean, everything about this is, if I didn't have a van, I'd buy it. This thing won't last long. Beautiful van, set up and easy to use, really turnkey. There's nothing to do on this. I mean, you've got every bell and whistle and every. So again, anything you want to add, Jack?
It has 33,500 miles, slightly less than that. It's a traveler. We've taken it to Pennsylvania. We've taken it up to the border of Georgia and North Carolina. So it's easy to drive. My wife loves to drive it. The two of us are fine. Single person that wants to zip across the country is really set up well for them. We carry a very small dog with us, somebody with one, maybe two dogs, plenty of room. Lithium batteries, you can leave them inside during a hot day. AC will run, you don't have to have the generator on. You can go in museum, a park, wherever you're needing to go inside where dogs are not permitted, and you know they're in comfort. You know you're not going to be getting a phone call from the local police, you know, saying your dog's in your van here, you're in big trouble. So
I can't say enough good things about it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little outside of what I normally do on the channel. If you like what you see, hit the like button, comment below if you have any questions, comments, or anything about this video. Oh yeah, give us the like button too. Hit that like button, it helps our viewer. Slam that bell so you'll see when more videos maybe like this come out. So keep watching, guys.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.